Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally being able to swap over folders and stuff like that because I ordered this 3-ring folder, which I finally found a 3-ring folder in the UK. So I'm really excited to swap them over to this 3-ring from my 2 rings. I'm actually I bought 3 of these, but they're like so much bigger than I thought they would be. So I'm just gonna put like all of my groups except for ATs into this one folder and just see how it looks. So you have both of my binders here. If you look compared to my previous binders, they're like, it's massive. So, and also we're gonna update my binders to some collection plans that I've decided I want to do for 2020. So we'll just start with my other folder. We'll do twice after because I'm updating those ones. And I've changed all of my sleeves again. I found these like, oh gosh, I found these like see-through ones. They're also like really protective because the sleeves I used to use were from Ultra Pro and they were like really thin, but then I found out Ultra Pro did like slightly thicker ones. Oh, it's so nice to have a 3-ring folder. You can't find them in the UK. This is like the first time I've ever seen one in the UK, ever. Okay, finally we've got them all in. They barely fill up any of the folder. It's good room for improvement. So this is what they look like in the folder. I've sort of decided to use fewer sleeves. And I made quite a few changes with how like I'm setting up the cards. But we'll do a quick click through after. So I don't know where to put twice. I might put them just after Saturday. Saturday really like worked their way up my buyers list. So for twice, I'm actually making quite a few changes. No change to the story begins. So for page 2, I'm actually going to collect OT9. I've already like marked down a few of the ones that I've bought already because I saw some going for like a really good price. I'm only going to collect OT9 for these 2 normal cards for now. And then I'll move on to lenticulars once I've got those finished. And then I'll just find some pink sleeves afterwards. And then, so as well, more changes. I'm going to try my best to collect OT9 for these 4 sets, and then OT9 for this set, the holographic one. So I did buy Geo's version of the yellow border for lane 2. For lane 1, it's all just the same. I haven't been able to find any for a good price. The pink set for lane 2 is also the same. And then for Signal, I'm gonna move to OT9 for like all the sets at some point. That's my goals for like 2020, is to make some real progress on Twice. But I'm just gonna try and get the hollow ones for now. And I did find Geo's from someone on eBay for like £3, which is crazy. And then so there's those ones. Oh my goodness. Okay, and for like Marine Happy and Twistagram, I haven't decided on which set I'd like to get yet, so I'm just gonna put those in like that. And then these sets are all like the same. I'm almost finished with Feel Special, and I'm really excited about it. Okay, oh gosh, that is Twice added. Oh my god, they make it so thick. Like I feel like all of that is Twice. All the way to here is Twice. Wow, crazy. But that is like, I guess it. I'm not adding ATs to this folder just because they're like different. And so this is the folder now. Saturday is almost complete. I just bought this card, so I'm literally just missing this one ion. And I also bought like their like new fan mating sets, and I also got their light stick, their little fan light acrylic one. Oh my gosh, I'm like living my best life. I also got their season's greetings. I love Saturday beyond belief. And then here's the start of Twice, and these are going to be empty for quite a while, I think. I might do like one of those videos where like I save up all the cards and then put them all in at the end once I've like completed them. We'll see. That'll probably take a really long time though. And then these are just empty. I'm not going to put any like sleeves or spots in them because that'll just be like a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a sleeve with a post-it note on once I've got it, just so I don't buy the same thing loads of times. And then reminder of Signal. And then Very Happy to Instagram. All of these ones are the same, except I did make some progress here. It's like a project. I need more projects or I get so bored. This OT9 set's complete and I'm really happy to have completed that. Almost finished with this one, and then MG. I made quite a good bit of progress on MG actually. And then Promise 9 Gion. I still really need to make some progress on this, but I have got the Two Heart album, the blue version, for Christmas, so that will be like some progress on there. Lord knows what's happening with these cards. And then Ice One, I'm not talking about it. And then Haru, I'm yet to buy the newest album. And then AB6, I think I'll be dropping down to just one member for this album. I need to decide who though, because I really do love them both so much. And then Kang Daniel, he's not finished, just need to wait for that card. And then Jaeyeon, he's also finished. 10, I have like the Take Off and the Take Over the Moon albums like on their way from a group order, and hopefully she pulls enough 10 to be able to give me some postcards. And then this is Hangmoon, this is still on its way, and then I need this card. And then X1, I'm not talking about it. So that is my new binder of my photo cards. I finally have like a pocket here, so I'll be able to put things in there because I didn't have one of those before, and I'll be able to get some more decals to put on this and decorate it a little bit with all the groups that I collect. But yes, thank you for watching this video, and if you have stuck to the end, thank you so much. Yes, thank you for watching.